Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump are expected to discuss key global and bilateral issues, including the situation in West Asia, the strategic Strait of Hormuz, energy imports from the United States, and the proposed India-US trade agreement during their meeting on the sidelines of the G7 summit in France, sources said. The much-anticipated bilateral meeting, likely to take place on June 17, comes as both nations push for deeper cooperation in energy security and trade. According to sources, the proposed trade agreement is in its final stages, with negotiations progressing steadily. An interim deal was earlier reached in February after a year of discussions. The White House has also indicated that advancing the trade pact will be a major focus of the talks. Officials said both sides are keen on building a long-term energy partnership, especially amid disruptions in global supply chains due to tensions in West Asia. The Strait of Hormuz, a key global shipping route for oil and gas, is expected to figure prominently in discussions. Earlier, PM Modi had raised concerns at the G7 outreach session over disruptions in maritime trade through the Strait of Hormuz, noting its impact on the global economy and humanitarian consequences. He stressed the need for dialogue, diplomacy, and cooperation to resolve conflicts and ensure safe sea routes for global trade and seafarers. India, attending the G7 summit as a partner nation, is marking its 13th participation in the outreach process.